If your Chime Recurring Transfer failed, the most common fixes involved checking for insufficient funds or exceeded transfer limits and ensuring that all account details are accurate. These are the common reasons and fixes. The most common reason for a failed transfer is again insufficient fund. So ensure that your balance covers the full transfer amount. Now, Chime has daily and monthly transfer limits. Transfers may be blocked if you had exceeded their limits. Check your limits in the Chime app under Profile and head to Account Limits and wait until the next day or month for limits to reset or use another transfer method. You can also double check the typos in the external bank routing or account numbers and verify that the linked external account details are all right. You can also relink the account if necessary, and that's how you can fix if your Chime recurring transfer has failed. And thank you for listening.